What's up guys, it's Kelly and happy Nail Art Sunday. I am back with another rainbow nail art look. This time we're doing a rainbow city skyline, and the cool thing about this little rainbow gradient is that it doesn't require a sponge or anything. We are literally just using the nail polish bottle brush and that is it. So no skill required for this one, super easy. May as well just get started. So let me show you how it's done. So for this nail art I am using my Cuccio base coat, my OPI Alpine Snow, and a whole rainbow of OPI nail polishes. I'm going to be totally honest with you guys, I do not remember which ones I used, so I cannot help you there, but maybe check out my last video because I used some OPIs there. And I'm going to be using my regular top coat, my OPI matte top coat, and then these nail vinyls from the What's Up Nail store. I will put a link to them in the description below. So I'm going to start off with my clean natural nail and apply my base coat, and once that is dry I'm going to go in with a coat of my white nail polish base. So since we are using nail vinyls, I do want to protect that white base color, so I am going to apply a coat of my quick dry top coat on top of that just to let it dry really quickly and protect it from the vinyls. So now I'm going to take these vinyls, and the cool thing about these ones is that you're basically getting two for the price of one because you get the outline but then you also get the actual skyline, so you can use those skylines for a different nail art. But anyway, I'm going to take the outlines and I'm just going to stick them on all my nails. And I'm going to show you one nail at a time. We're going to just go through the whole rainbow. Since I am a lefty, I usually show you guys my right hand. So I'm basically starting off with the pinky to start off the rainbow with a little pink, and I'm taking the bottle brush and I'm just going to paint on half of that vinyl, and then I'm going to take my orange and I'm going to do the same with the other half. But what I'm going to do is once it starts to get towards the middle, I'm going to wipe off most of the polish off of the brush and just sort of start to swipe it on so that it's like almost like a very translucent, I guess, color on top of the pink. And then I'm going to do the same just to help that pink blend out with the pink brush. And then before that color has a chance to dry, I am going to peel off that vinyl super quickly. You want to do this before the polish dries, otherwise the line is not going to be clean and beautiful. So you want to do that ASAP. So what I'm going to do on each nail is red, orange, then orange, yellow, then yellow, green, then green, blue, and then my thumb, which I didn't show you guys, would be blue, purple. So I'm going to continue the pattern, moving on to my ring finger, and I'm going to do half of it with that orange. And since the yellow is a light color, I'm going really lightly in the center with the orange because I want to be able to overlap the colors a little bit seamlessly. So once I go over it with the yellow, you can start to see it blending together. So moving right along with the yellow and green nail, we're just going to do the same exact technique, painting on half with the first color and then the other half with the second color, and then just trying to use as little polish on the brush as possible to make those colors look super seamless. And then of course peeling off that vinyl before it has a chance to dry so that we get that nice crisp line. And then the last one I'm going to show you is the green and blue. And like I said, you guys always ask me what's on my thumb. Honestly, it's so impossible to film my thumb. I just don't know how to make my thumb flat so that the camera can see it, but whatever, I'm going to be doing on my thumb blue and purple. So if you guys are curious, that's how it's going to be. And then the opposite on my other hand. So starting with the pink orange on my thumb on the other hand. Again, same exact technique with just the tiniest amount on the brush and then peeling it off. And of course you want to give everything a chance to dry before you go in with your top coat, but once you do, then you have your nice finished design. And you guys know me, I always throw a little matte top coat on there just because it looks better in photos in my opinion, and I just like the way that matte nails look on me. So yeah, that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Give it a thumbs up if you want more rainbow / pride nail art looks, and I don't know, leave me a comment. Let me know how your day's going. Alright, I'll talk to you guys later. Bye!